Hello, my name is Mayerly Parra, and this video is for a project I have, which is how to make castella cake, which is from Japan. And this is how you will be making the cake. What you will need is 6 large room temperature eggs. You'll also need sugar, 218 grams. You'll also need a tablespoon of bread flour, 5 tablespoons of honey, and 1.5 tablespoons of warm water, and a loaf bread where you will be putting the castella cake, and wax paper so it doesn't get stuck, and the baking spray so the wax paper can sit on. So the next step is you will put the wax paper in the pan with the baking spray. So it should look like this. You should put it in each side. So this is where the mixture of all the ingredients will go. So the next step is you should put 2.5, which is this spoon of 2.5 of honey. Ugh, so sticky. Next, you should put another 2.5 of warm water. And the other one should be half, like a little bit, I don't know. Then you mix it. Mix until it's good combined with the water and it's not sticky. Like this. Next, you will put 1 cup of bread flour, then you will add plus this tablespoon of another bread flour. Then the next step will be the eggs. So you will need a mixture, but if you don't have one, you can use your own hands. So it will be 6 eggs. Then you will mix it for 5 minutes. So you will put it because if you put it too high, it will rise up and fall. So it will mix. You will do it for 5 minutes. So this is how the eggs should look. And you should do that for 5 minutes until it is stirred well. So while the eggs are mixing, we will put a cup of sugar. So when that is mixing after 5 minutes, you should put the sugar. The next step you will do is add the 1 cup of sugar while it is still mixing. Then you shall wait 5 minutes again for it to mix. Then the next step will be the flour. The next step is putting the honey and the warm water we did into this bowl. Then we will mix again. The next step is with the bread flour. Put a third at a time, which is a spoon at a time. Very important. While it is still mixing. Then you should wait until it doesn't have no more white stuff. Let it mix. The next step, is just repeat until all the flour is gone. Just repeat, and repeat until all your flour is gone. Okay, when your flour is all into the bowl, you should let it mix until it is well combined so we can put it in our pan. After you're done mixing, it should look like this. Like a beautiful colored yellow. And you should put it on your pan with the wax paper and put it until it is all done. And if there is leftover things, you should use it with the spoon. Not a spoon, with this thing for cakes. So, when you're done, it should look like this. And shake it so you don't get no air bubbles, so the cake looks soft. So wait for a second, and then it pops. So this is so the cake doesn't get air bubbles and it looks neat. So there. The next step is you should bake it for 320 Fahrenheit. You should bake it for 40 to 45 minutes with the help of an adult. So it should be at 320 degrees. Please notice that you should put the cake with the help of an adult because it is very dangerous. So with the help of an adult, put the cake into the oven so you don't get burned. And you should put it for 45 minutes. And that is it. And you should wait for 45 minutes for the cake to be done. And your cake should be done. Bye.